Jesus, not it being cold as hell in Georgia now. Like, that made no damn sense. So, ooh, why look so? Welcome to another day of Vlogmas. So today we are making life-size presents, and as you can see, I was using what are we using? Oh, I was using foam containers that were like for coolers and stuff as the base of it. So what I'm gonna do is spray paint those. I originally was going to like do, I guess you could do a top coat as like a primer, but these are already white, and I know spray paint does eat into foam. I'm well aware of that. I don't have primer. I don't feel like going to the store, so we're gonna see how this plays out. But because this is going on my yard and it's not gonna be super close to the street, even if it like eats away a bit, I don't feel like it's gonna look insane that people, unless you're right up on top of it, will not like realize that the paint ate from the foam. I think it's gonna be fine. So right now I have a clear sealer, so I'm gonna seal everything later. We have high gloss. We're gonna have this blue. I got a little pink. All this is from last year. If y'all saw me making my cupcakes, I will link that video. And this is a pixie dust. It's supposed to be iridescent, so it'll give it a little shimmer. I don't think I'm using this because it'll brown paper, but we will use that. The idea of this is that we're gonna do a little stacking situation in the yard. So these open just like so. So what I'm gonna do is put a brick inside so they all are stable and they don't, by the wind, I don't want that to happen. Side note, when you're using these sprays, please wear a mask, but more so wear a respirator. It didn't bother me as much with the spray paint, but the sealant is strong. You need to wear a respirator, and definitely do this outside. Do not do it in an enclosed area. Okay, interesting to see the silver is not eating away like that compared to the other two, but they still don't look like horrible. So we're gonna keep going. Which one would you first?
You might have to, since they're so narrow, we might have to like double it.
Okay. Well, you know, there's multiple. Oh, so the big ones you use for the top, for the bow?
For the bows. Well, how
now
many?
the thing is, are we doing bows on these? Because how are we gonna do it if we're gonna do how you said to stack them?
Oh, so we're not stacking them.
We are stacking that. I'm asking
Okay.
how.
All right. So if we use these, then we can make one big bow for the top, and then maybe put bows
like
facing this way.
Wait, say what you
All
mean.
right. So if we
Because
wrap them,
I think to do the silver on the top.
right? Okay.
Since it's the one that's on like all yeah. So I don't think do it like that if it's like county corner yet. Okay.
And if we do that, we can stick a big bow on top.
Okay.
And should we put something here? A
Yeah.
bow? Or
A
not?
bow, or are we doing the ribbon?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, we probably could do a bow on side if you want to. But yeah, I think if we do
At least one facing down.
Yeah.
And then that'll be.
And like the really big bow.
Yeah. Alright, so if we go maybe there, and then we duct tape it
Okay.
at the bottom just to reinforce.
Okay. And you're supposed to put a little over the edge, right?
Yeah, it's a little bit over so we can.
Okay. And here are the final results. This was a simple, affordable DIY project. I added a string of lights to help it pop on the yard, and you can totally do this project yourself. So please make sure you subscribe and hit that notification button. I'm going to see you guys on the next video. Love you. Bye.